Good morning, children. How are you all? You all are fine, ready for today's EVS class. Now we are going to have our environmental science. Do you remember what we learnt in last class? Yes, I showed you some pictures that you can see up in the sky. Okay, did you look up in the sky in the day and in the night and find out what all things are there? I hope you have learned the things that we learned in the previous classes. There are some more things that we are supposed to learn. We'll learn some more things that are up in the sky and do the book exercises for today's class. Okay, children? Okay. What can you see? You can see clouds in the sky. The first thing that you see in the blue sky is clouds that are white in color. The clouds are white in color. You see clouds in the sky. Second one, you can see small tiny shiny objects in the night. Yes, these are stars. You can see so many number of stars in the sky. There are numerous number of stars and we cannot count the number of stars. Okay, so these are stars. When can you see the stars? We learnt in the first term itself about day and night. Okay, we work in the day and we sleep in the night when it is dark. So in the night sky you can see the stars. In the night sky you can see the stars. What is this? This is a rocket. This is a rocket. You can see rocket. The rocket goes up into the sky and into the space. Okay, so rockets are meant to be in the sky to be functional. This is a rocket. This is a rocket. This is a rocket. What is this? You all like to see this? We see this rarely, right? But most of you would have seen this. What is this? This is a rainbow. This is a rainbow. It looks very beautiful with so many colors. How many colors are there in the rainbow? Count and tell me. You know how to count from 1 to 34 we have learnt. Okay, count. I'll give you 1 minute. Count the number of colors in the rainbow and tell me. We'll see how many of you are telling the number correctly. Yes, yeah, you have found it. There are 7 colors in the rainbow. There are 7 colors in the rainbow. So you can see rainbow in the sky every day? No, after it rains, when the sun shines, you can see a rainbow in the sky. Shall we go to the next one? What is this? You see this every day in the sky, but you cannot see it directly, but you know it is there in the sky. Yes, this is the sun. This is the sun. A sun is a big ball of fire. The sun is very hot and so we cannot see it directly. This is the sun. This is the sun. You can see sun in the sky in the morning. Look at the picture and tell me, describe the picture. You all like to play in the rain. Yes, this is rain. From where do we get rain? Rain comes from the sky in the clouds. We get rain from the clouds and you can see clouds up in the sky. So you can get rain from the sky. This is rain. Okay, how many of you have seen this? Yes, if you go to the terrace in the evening and if you look up into the sky, you would have seen, right? Mostly we can see aeroplane in the sky in the evening. You can hear the sound of the aeroplane also. So this is an aeroplane. This is an aeroplane. You can fly to different places that are very far away from us in an aeroplane, and the aeroplane is the fastest means of transport. It goes very fast. Okay, but it is very costly to travel by an aeroplane. So this is an aeroplane. This is an aeroplane. I hope you all know the name of this. This is an aeroplane. We'll go to the next one. Okay, you can see a person wearing a different dress. I have not seen this person, but we have seen him in pictures. Okay, he wears a helmet, gloves, so many protective instruments. Who is this person? He is an astronaut. Okay, this name is new to you. I want you all to learn. He is an astronaut. Astronaut. Say with me, astronaut. Astronaut is a person who works in the space. Okay, they go up into the sky and do their work in the sky. Okay, he is an astronaut. Who is this person? He is an astronaut. Shall we go to the next one? Okay, what is this? It is colorful like a big umbrella. Yes, this is a parachute. This is a parachute. This is a parachute. We have already learnt about parachute in the first class. This is parachute. We'll go to the next one. What is this? What else can you see in the night sky? Yes, you can see the moon. You can see the moon along with the stars in the night sky. This is moon. All of you have seen the moon and you know the name moon. Okay, we'll go to the next one. How many of you have seen this? You can see in the sky. This is called jet. Okay, this is called jet. It travels very fast and you can see fire coming out of it when it takes off from the earth. This is called jet. Okay, you all would have seen in pictures. This is jet. This is jet. It travels very fast. What are these? I taught you in last class. There are so many planets. How many planets are there? There are 8 planets. There are 8 planets that revolve around that go around the sun, and our earth is also one of them. We live in the planet called earth. So there are so many planets up in the sky. You can see so many birds in the sky, right? Evening when you look up into the sky, you can see so many birds that are flying. Can you name some birds that you can see? You can see crow, you can see sparrow, pigeon, yes, eagle. You can see so many birds flying in the sky in the morning and also in the evening. We don't see much in the afternoon. Okay, what is this? How many of you have seen this? This is called as satellite. This is also a new name for you. This is a satellite. This is called as satellite. We can communicate to one another with the help of this satellite. This is a satellite. This is a satellite. And the last one. How many of you have seen this? You have seen this. If you have not seen these, I want you to look up in the sky. Go to the terrace and look up in the sky in the evening. You can see so many kites. Okay, the kites. You can see kites that are flying in the sky. Okay, kites are colorful and it is also a plaything. We have learnt about kites in the plaything. They fly the kite in the sky. So you can see kites flying high up in the sky. Now take your books, turn to page number 84. We'll do the book exercises. Take your books, turn to page number 84. First one is match the following. This is easy. You all know how to do this. Okay, we'll name them first. What is this? This is an aeroplane. This is jet. This is a planet. This is rocket, and this is a satellite. Okay, as you match, if you recall the names, you will not forget. Okay, this is an aeroplane. Find out where is aeroplane on this side. Here it is. Okay, both are same, but the pictures are different. This is a jet, and here is a jet. Okay, match carefully. This is a planet. You can see a planet here. Match both the planets. This is jet, and you can see a jet here. Match both the jets. This is a satellite, and this is a satellite. Match both the satellites. Now come to the bottom of the page. Okay, tick the pictures which can be seen in the sky and cross the others. Okay, you should put a tick if you can see them in the sky, and you should put a cross mark if you cannot see them in the sky. What is this? This is a sun. You can see sun in the sky, so put a tick mark. What is this? This is an octopus, which is an aquatic animal. It lives in the water, not in the sky, so put a cross mark. These are stars which you can see in the sky, so put a tick mark. What is this? This is a musical instrument which they use for playing. This is called xylophone. It is not in the sky, so put a cross mark. You will all remember the things that we learned today, so that things you will put tick mark. This is a rainbow. You can see rainbow in the sky, put tick mark. This is a shell which is cone shaped. Okay, this looks like a cone also. This is not in the sky. You can see stars and moon which is there in the sky. This is a fish, jellyfish, which lives in the water and not in the sky, so put a cross mark. Okay, so learn this carefully. This will be for your GK EVS test. Pick the pictures which can be seen in the sky and cross the others. Okay, so learn carefully. Learn the names of the things that are seen in the sky. Okay, thank you children.